Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can reset PIN for offline location encryption on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon in the quick settings panel. Now in here, scroll down and in here, tap on security and privacy. Next, we go down and tap on Find My Mobile. Then tap on Offline Finding. Next, tap on the left hand side panel of Offline Finding. Then go down and tap on Reset PIN. And then put in your phone password or PIN or your Samsung account password. Next, here you can tap on the reset button so that if you reset your PIN, all currently reported location information for your devices will be deleted. If you are sure, just tap on the reset button. And here you need to put in a new PIN. So here I'm just gonna put in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then tap on OK. I'll put in the same PIN again to confirm, and then tap on OK. And that is how you can set a new PIN for your offline finding location encryption. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.